What's up everybody? Melissa here. Today I want to make a frame. So a few months ago I made a video on how to make a prong setting for a faceted stone, but I haven't done anything with it since, so I figured I gotta make a frame for it since the holidays are coming up and hopefully shows will open up back up again. I want to make a frame for this and get it ready to sell. So I want to make a simple frame. I'm going to use some of the 16 gauge wire, round wire, and I just want to make a simple hammered teardrop shape frame for this stone here. See what we can come up with. I like learning on the fly. Sometimes I just go with it. No plan, no nothing. So about midway, I'm gonna kind of shape it around my bottle. That's a little too big. Still might be a little too big. Let me try my ring mandrel. Shape around the bottom of that. I like that size. So here's where they cross in the middle. So I'm going to mark these because I'm going to bend the wires upward so they go straight up, and that's how I'm going to make my veil. Okay, so I'm going to take my flat nose pliers, put that right up against the mark, put a sharp angle in it. Same with the other side. Stainless steel block will come in handy. That's kind of cool. You can just make something with the frame itself, or make multiple frames, multiple teardrops. Something I should try in the future, but I'm putting the gemstone on this, but you can string beads in it. You can do whatever you want with this frame. I think I need to secure the top, so I'm gonna grab some half round wire. Figure out which way's up. Okay, that's the flat part. So I have to figure out which side I want to be the front. I think they're both equally the same, so I'll just snip it in the back here, make this the back. Now I have to figure out a bail. Bail making pliers. I love them. Let's see. How big do I want my bail to be? Let's try this size here. Looks pretty cool. So I think I want these wires to, I think I'm gonna wrap them around the frame here. Let me cut them off at the same length. I think I want to crisscross them. Bring this through, kind of wrap it around like so. I'll do little by little, side by side, to hopefully do a mirror image of whatever I do down the side here. It's getting pretty tough. I think this is getting pulled on a little too much. Okay, I think that turned out pretty cool. My bail's a little off now because I pulled too much on it. Let's see. There we go. Should I make little spirals or should I just bring it to the back? I'll just bring it to the back. Let's see. Kind of smoosh that down. Smoosh this down. I want to cut those off so you can't see them from the front. I want to cut it at an angle so hopefully it doesn't snag on anything. That's a pretty sturdy frame. Now, how to incorporate this into it. Make my first bend. It's going to be a lot of adjusting with this to keep it centered. I just want to get it tied down in a couple spots and go from there. Okay, so I have to kind of work around these swirls here. Kind of see how this turns out. Do one side, then the other side. It's not too bad. I'll keep slowly tying this down and checking it to make sure everything's still straight. Still pretty centered. I think I want to make 3 wraps down here. Okay, I'm cutting them off. Have to make sure these ends are tucked in. There's nothing sharp. This little edge is kind of sharp, so I think I go to polish this up. It's better. Pay close attention to those edges. But I think I'm satisfied with this. Alright, so cool. I made a frame for my Faceted Gemstone prong setting. I really like how this turned out. I hope you do too, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Comment if you have any questions, and make sure you subscribe because I make a new video each week. Smash that bell, however you say it, so you get notified for when I post a new video. Go ahead and do that, and I'll see you next week.